Okay, just opened up this smart lock. Comes with a lot of instructions on how to install, because this is not just the lock, it's also the handles on the outside and the inside. So they give you a lot of information on how to properly assemble it, and also the bracket holes for the assembly for installing it. This is the actual product itself. It's a nice slim design. It's not too big, not too bulky. The numbers inside are touch. There's no button, so that's good for privacy. One of these is fingerprints. I think it's this one. And there's a card reader as well. It's pretty cool. This is the reverse side. Once it's all connected, strong deadbolt. It's electronic. Can make noise. You can lock. One press and lock. Takes 4 AA batteries. Let me see if it's rechargeable. I'm not seeing a USB port, but that's fine. Batteries are okay. You can get rechargeable batteries too. Accessory package. Oh, here's the bolt itself. They come with different face plates depending on the setup of your home. Locking mechanism. Put it aside for now. Large outside handle. Elegant looking. This is for the outside. It's a good durable metal. I don't know if it's stainless steel or nickel, but it's very nice. And this product also includes the inside handle as well. Pretty nice design. Has a square base frame and then the turning handle. It's like cold steel. Very nice. Can't wait to set this up. Definitely going to be something to... there's also, like, let's say the battery dies on the device. There should be an option for, maybe it's in here, to unlock it. Gotta see how to unlock it with the key. But they give you a backup key, 2 backup keys in case something happens, and they give you 4, should be 4 key cards somewhere in here. Some screws. Oh, here they are. Or 3 key cards, or 2. No, 3. Yep, 3 key cards. So there's RFID, finger pressing locks. You can unlock it by your phone. There's the keys and fingerprint, as well as the touch number sequence. So it's pretty cool. Definitely cannot wait to set it up.